Basically, this is what the customer explained to me. He bought a ECU, but I believe it's the wrong one, right? I think he bought a compression gauge to do his own test. So he placed another O2 sensor. He bought some, what's this, intake valve cleaning things. So you see he replaced the mass airflow. He replaced the low pressure pump also. Okay, so this is on the hood. Key is off. Let's check the engine oil and see the condition, because he said he changed it in November, right? And we in January, and this engine oil is filthy black.